Hey, welcome back to our training center. Now, today we're going to talk about the Labrador XP Orbital machine. Our Labrador series has been received very well, and we've since introduced a couple of machines. Our cylinder machine that's on my right here, that's really an industrial machine for cement. The Orbital machine is really designed to remove a few layers of finish, of contamination, making your floor ready for a new coat of finish. But by using this machine, you will reduce your labor. You won't have any large amount of water, so all your slip and fall, all your time, you can run the machine, remove that film, and then be ready to apply and finish again. So let's run the machine. You notice the floor, right? From reflection to now, what really is really soft floor. Why? Because I've removed all of the contaminants, I've leveled the floor, and the pores are closed, ready to receive a coat of any of our dust pane floor finish. Go back to the gloss meter. 2.7. Anybody out in the industry would tell you this floor has been stripped. This floor is ready to receive floor finish. That's amazing. So in a few minutes, I was able to cover a large area, and now I'm ready to apply finish. So I've got our Grand Prix here, one of the finish I really like, right? So on this floor that's not been stripped conventionally, that we've removed a few layers of finish, we've taken all of the contamination out, I'm able now to reapply finish. So we're back the next morning. I let the floor completely dry overnight, so we've had our second coat of finish after using the Orbital machine, Dust Pane Labrador XP Orbital. Wow, this floor, 2 coats of finish. Remember, we did not have to do a wet strip. We really removed a couple of layers of floor finish, made the floor pure, made it all pores were closed, and we applied 1 coat, and we saw a great reflection. We applied a second coat. Oh my God, this floor is amazing. It's got this depth of gloss, and it's got some nice shine. Let's go and see the gloss reading on this morning. 95, 91, 89, so let's call it 92 reflection. That's pretty amazing. Where one operator was able to use the Orbital scrubber, remove a few layers, pick it up, and reapply finish within a few minutes after the process had started. So a labor-saving device. It takes very little time. It makes your floor perfect to receive a coat of finish. And this morning we're seeing the result after drying for 24 hours.